Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review this case for my iPhone XR from UAG. It's their Monarch series, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the iPhone XR. You want to protect the beautiful glass back and also the display. If you're looking for a case, I have one from UAG that I'm going to review today. Let's get into it. We're going to do our normal test, see how this actually fits. Bam, it's their Monarch series. I got it in crimson red. Look at that. Just the presentation on the box is great. If you want to pause that and read it, you can. But let's get into it. Bam, let's check this out. Look at the case, UAG, little UAG brand in the inside. You have your cutouts down here, they look good. You have your volume rockers. You have your notification hold, slide. Honeycomb pattern on the side for grip. On this side, you have your ridge power button. Look at that ridge. So you can always find it. It fits nice and snug. Look at the lip action. So you can put your phone down. You won't have to worry about hitting your display. The back. Look at the camera hump on this thing. Bam, look at that. The cutouts look great. That black and red looks really good. But the cutouts look really good too. Let's check out the power button. Definitely works. Volume rockers work. The slide is easy to get to, as you can tell. That's really easy. Now let's check the fit. A little loose, but not too much. I mean, it fits really good, to be honest. Bam. The last thing we want to check, we always check on Forbes Tech Reviews channel. Will it wireless charge? Yes, as you can tell, it is charging. If you want to pick up this case from UAG, I will have the link in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone XR. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.